Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can restock seed for free and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to go to the seed shop right here, and then you will see this menu. Wait, okay, as you can see, now we can watch add to restock, and I'm going to buy the seed so it can be restocked. And just remember guys that this feature is only available on PC because when I opened the game using my phone, this menu doesn't appear. Okay, and I'm going to click on watch add to restock. Okay, as you can see, I've earned auto restock. And yeah, it's really cool. But unfortunately, it's only available on Roblox PC. I mean, Grow a Garden PC. If you want to get the free restock, you need to open it from your PC. Okay guys, and that's all about the free restock in Grow a Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!